This video was recorded at Woodstock Farm Sanctuary, a place where visitors come face to face with animals they may only know as dinner and learn about the devastating effects of modern-day agribusiness on the animals, the environment, and human health. Woodstock Sanctuary is located in High Falls, New York, and you can check them out at www.woodstocksanctuary.org. They're awesome. The Jivamukti Magic 10 is the perfect yoga sequence if you only have 10 minutes to practice yoga, or you can use it as a warm-up sequence for your regular yoga practice. Come into downward facing dog, spread your fingers wide, press your palms down, start to breathe deeply, consciously, steadily. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale. Exhale 6. Inhale. Exhale 7. Inhale. Exhale 8. Inhale. Exhale 9. Inhale. Exhale 10. Inhale, walk your feet towards your hands till they're about a foot behind the wrist, hip width apart. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, with legs and arms extended, press equal weight down to your hands and feet. Exhale 1. And simultaneously lift up out of the wrist and ankles. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale. Exhale 6. Inhale. Exhale 7. Inhale. Exhale 8. Inhale. Exhale 9. Inhale. Exhale 10. Inhale, toe heel your feet to the width of the mat. Exhale, come into a squat with hands in prayer at the heart center. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Spine extended. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale. Exhale 6. Inhale. Exhale 7. Inhale. Exhale 8. Inhale. Exhale 9. Inhale. Exhale 10. Sit down. Extend your legs forward. TP twist. Inhale, bring both knees towards the chest. Place soles of the feet flat on the floor. With feet and knees together, exhale, hug the shins with the left elbow and twist to the right. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale, turn back to center. Exhale, extend both legs. Inhale, bring the right knee towards the chest. Exhale, place the right foot outside the left leg. Inhale, extend the left arm. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, extend both legs. Inhale, left knee towards the chest. Exhale, left foot outside the right leg. Inhale, extend the right arm. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Inhale, turn back to the center. Exhale, extend both legs. Separate your feet hip-width apart, bend the knees, place the soles of the feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind you on the floor, fingers facing towards the body. Inhale, chin to the chest, lift everything up. Exhale, release the head back. Hold for 10 breaths. Inhale, keep your pelvis higher than your knees. Exhale, 1. Inhale, and keep your ankles under your knees, wrist under the shoulders. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Inhale. Exhale, 6. Inhale. Exhale, 7. Inhale. Exhale, 8. Inhale. Exhale, 9. Inhale. Exhale. Tuck the chin to the chest. Come down. Inhale. Extend legs forward. Next is handstand. We're going to do handstand for 5 to 25 breaths. You want to do a handstand against the wall. So find a wall or a partner to support you. Place your hands on the floor about 3 to 5 inches from the wall. And leading with one leg, jump up and follow with the other. Then rest the heels on the wall, feet flexed. Drop the head between the arms. Alternatively, you can start on hands and knees, facing away from the wall with the feet against the wall. Walk up the wall to a 90-degree angle so the shoulders and hips are over the wrists. And hold an L-shaped handstand for 25 breaths. And come down. Hang over your legs in Uttanasana for 1 or 2 breaths. Standing in Tadasana with feet parallel, together or apart. Interlock fingers together behind back. Pressing palms together, lift arms away from the pelvis, aligning pelvis and rib cage. Upper chest lifts as armpits expand. Chin drops to meet lifted chest. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Release the hands. Inhale, extend arms overhead, interlock fingers, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, bend to the left side. Inhale, come upright. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, upright. Exhale, left. Inhale, upright. Exhale, right. Inhale, come to an upright position for standing spinal roll sequence, 16 breaths. Exhale, place your interlaced hands behind your head. Inhale, in the upright position, spread elbows, lengthen spine, expand chest. Exhale, arch back. 1. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean back further. 2. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean back further. 3. Inhale, come to an upright position. Exhale, draw elbows towards each other, chin to the chest. 4. Inhale, breathe space into the back body. Exhale, roll down, nose towards the upper chest. 5. Inhale. Exhale, roll down, forehead towards the sternum. 6. Inhale. Exhale, roll down, forehead towards the belly. 7. Inhale. Exhale, roll down, forehead towards navel. 8. Inhale. Exhale, roll down, forehead towards the pubic bone. 9. Inhale. Exhale, roll down, forehead towards mid-thighs. 10. Inhale. Exhale, roll down, forehead towards knees. 11. Inhale. Exhale, bend your knees, touch the forehead to the knees or towards the knees. 12. Inhale, keeping the knees bent, open elbows, lift torso. Exhale, press down into the legs. Inhale, straighten legs, lift to an upright position. Exhale, stay. 14. Inhale, an upright position, lengthen your spine. Exhale, lean back. 15. Inhale, come to upright position. Exhale, release arms. Tadasana. 16. Congratulations, you have completed the Magic 10. Your day is already awesome.